Put our hands together. No, put them like that. And honey, come here. Honey, put like this. Go like that. Team over the toe.
Charity, what are you teaching everyone?
Okay, I'm going to teach you how to draw a cat. So first we start with the body. So you just draw a little circle, just like that. It's kind of like a little heart. Good job, Clara. Good job, Harmony. Okay, now we're gonna start drawing the neck. So just do 2 lines just like that. I did it! I did it! And then we're gonna draw the head. But wait, do this! Look down, look! I know. If you mess up, you can erase on the head. If you mess up on the head. I did it! Oh, good job. Alright, so then we're going to draw the ears. So we just do a corner. I did it! Do a corner. I did it! And you might want to make sure they're even. So, ta-da! I did it! Ta-da! Draw, I did it! A make-believe line, just like that. Make-believe line. Don't even touch your paper. I did it. Okay. So then we're gonna start drawing the legs. So we're gonna start here, come down, and go again, come down. Like this. I did it. I did it. And then we're gonna start going again, like that. And then we're gonna... Mine looks like a spider. And then, when you're done with the big legs, we're gonna start doing the small legs. Judy's actually is better. Not both our eyes. There's one leg. There's one little leg. Here's another one. Another one. Okay. Once you're done with that, we're going to draw the paws. And then we're gonna draw the little toes. Just one line between it. Just one line like that. Then we're going to draw the eyes. So just one little dot. Make sure they're even. Okay. And then we're gonna draw the nose. And then the mouth. And then the mouth. No. And then we're gonna draw the inside of the ears. And that was our lesson.
What are we missing? Where's the tail?
Oh, and then we're gonna draw the tail. I did it. I did it.
Clara, what does yours look like?
A spider.
Harmony, what does yours look like?
Maybe a crocodile.
Wow. All right.
Time to do the next one. You guys ready? Are you ready, Mom?
Yep. Clara.
I'm going to teach you how to make a heart. It goes like this. Done. Good job, Charity. Just like that. Like this? No. Here.
Yep, that looks good.
That looks good. Okay, and now, and that's it.
what are we doing today?
Making turtles. This is how you make a turtle. And do his face. This one's not working. Let me do it. Let me teach you. Let me teach you. And then the eyes. There's a mouse. No, let me help ya. And what will you do? Oh, do this. Then the body. Then the legs. How about the door? What is that? Why that's doing on TV? And it's a turtle. Oh.
Show me your turtles.
I forgot what mine is. That's my turtle.
Wow. Amazing. If you had a turtle, what would you name it? Clara, go.
Demo. Caroline. Dory.
Dory the turtle? That's weird. Okay, if you had a pet cat, what would you name it? Charity, go.
Princess Kitty Cat. Charming Kitty Cat. I'm gonna name it Karina.
All right, what did we do today, guys?
We drew.
Is it a drawing party?
Yeah.
All right, here's how we end our videos. We say, see you next time on Cheers from Clara. Can we practice? See
you next time from Cheers from Clara. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Cheers from Clara. 1, 2, 3, Clara team!
Woohoo!
Come on! Let's go make a video about making a snow globe. How about making slime? Okay, good idea.